Let's use scenes in creating different views for this project. For camera views we have perspective, parallel projection and two-point perspective. Two-point perspective is ideal to use on an exterior perspective, like houses and buildings. So for this project we'll only be using perspective and parallel projection. Perspective is with depth while parallel projection is flat. Perspective is angled while parallel is projected straight. So far we only have ISO views or aerial views. To create normal views and elevation we will be using section command. Use move command to adjust the areas covered for the 3D perspective view. Use the plus button to add each scenes, and give each views a name for easy navigating each scenes. Hide the section plane each scenes for a cleaner view. For perspective view use perspective, for elevations use parallel projection. Hide all the section views on each scenes and don't forget to update each. Don't forget to save your work. This AI render here is not available on a free version, you have to upgrade for a paid version to use it. You can simply drag each scenes if you want to rearrange its sequence. On the camera, you can adjust the field of view by dragging the sliders. Let us know in the comments what you would like to see next. And if you are enjoying this type of content, kindly subscribe and give us a like for us to continue sharing our videos. As always, thank you for watching.